Hey guys, it's Pamela from Barrel Aged Creations, and I'm gonna show you how to make a really simple whipped coffee that's perfect as a dessert drink. Now the variation I'm gonna show you is non-alcoholic, so it's family friendly, but it is gonna have a bourbon taste to it because we're gonna use our bourbon barrel aged maple syrup for a sweetener. Now, I did say this is super easy. You're only gonna use 4 ingredients. It's gonna be our bourbon barrel aged maple syrup, instant coffee, hot water, and then your choice of milk. Today I'm gonna use a non-dairy version, but if you like whole milk or something else, you can substitute that. The easiest thing to do is for the maple syrup, the water, and instant coffee, you're gonna use equal parts. So I pre-warmed my water. I'm gonna put that in my mixing bowl now. I'm gonna do instant coffee. If you can't do caffeine, try a decaf version. And then this is our bourbon barrel aged maple syrup. I'm gonna add that as well. And just scoop it out of there. I'm gonna get every last drop of it. Okay. Now, if you're feeling up to it and want some exercise, you can use a hand mixer. Just whisk it together. I'm gonna use an electric one and set it on low. This is gonna take approximately 3 to 5 minutes to whisk it up. If you want it a little bit thicker, you can mix it a little bit longer, just until the thickness you like. Okay, so we're almost done whipping here. I have it to where it's just before a hard peak. Give it a couple seconds and I'll show you. Get those beaters out of there. Might want to save those for later though. Okay, so here is the topping for the whipped coffee. Now you can beat it a little longer, but we have a pretty good peak there. If you don't want it that thick, you can just beat it for 3 minutes. Now the next thing we're gonna do is take your favorite glass, put some ice in it, and we're gonna add our milk of choice. Today we're doing almond milk, but regular whole milk or skim milk will work just as well. Fill your cup about halfway, and then we're just gonna scoop our whipped coffee mixture right over the top. Now, I didn't give you exact amounts, but for 1 cup, you're gonna use about 1 tablespoon of water, the bourbon maple, and the coffee. And this should make about 1 cup. If you wanna go an extra cup, just double your recipe. Now we'll mix it up a little bit and enjoy a drink. That's delicious.